Turn that light on.
Oh, well, you are going to love this museum. Everywhere you go, there's something amazing to see. Let's go check it out.
Airplane! A huge octopus! I see dinosaurs!
I see a Viking ship.
What do you see? Oh, yeah. I see that too. Timmy Zoomy! Hey, look! There's a balloon!
Prepare for landing. Hey, Ellen.
Hi, Timmy Zoomy. You're just in time. I'm on my way to the Outer Space Room. My favorite place in the museum. Ooh, the Outer Space Room.
I definitely want to see that.
Great, let's all go. I can't wait to see the Outer Space Room. This is very great. Here we are, the Outer Space Room. And space volcanoes. How many space volcanoes do you see? Four. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Volcanoes are spectacular.
My favorite thing is the whole space around over there. It's a rocket ship ride. I really want to go on that ride. I love rocket ships.
Me too. Let's see how much it costs. This sign says to ride on a rocket ship, you have to pay with special star tokens. How many star tokens are on the sign? 3. Ellen needs 3 tokens to go on the ride.
I have some star tokens. These are all the tokens I have.
Turn that down a little bit.
I have enough star tokens to go on the ride. Yes.
Uh-oh, now he's starting to get mad. Tucker.
Go show him. Go get him from the front.
Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? Have you learned to make no noises? You just holler now? You just a hollering baby? You holler for everybody? Hi, Tucker. Hi, Tucker. Tucker. You not gonna holler anymore?
Hi. Hey, chunky boy. Hey, chunky boy. No smiles? Can we have a little smile?
Turn the swing off and talk to him. It's hard to get it to focus.
Can we have a little smile, please?
Turn it off. Sing to him. Sing the soft kitty song.
Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty, purr, purr, purr. Can we have a smile? Tucker,
Hi, buddy.
Tucker. Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty, purr, purr, purr.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Mama's gonna get you. Tucker.
He's so serious.
Mama's gonna get you. Say bye-bye.